Hello everybody, my name is Gilbert Benitez, and what you're looking at is a Kanban view of features in Microsoft Azure DevOps. Well, what is Microsoft Azure DevOps? Well, it's a cloud service, a web-based application. It is actually technology for collaborating in code development, software projects, life cycles, and so forth. Now, what you're looking at is cards that are coming in, new cards, new features that are coming in for the software project or application that they want to evaluate and see whether it's worthy of working on, and or it's an enhancement for an existing software application. Whatever the case may be, this view allows you to see the work that's contained for that software project. Now, items come in from marketing as a new request, or from product managers or a client that has a software product, or other users that use the existing software product, or maybe even perhaps from developers or QA engineers or other engineers that are using the software product. In either case, typically as they go through a software lifecycle, they have to go through different phases. Goes through a new request, comes in as an item that's been identified for phase one. If it progresses, it goes to phase two and investigate, then progresses to a phase three to a prototype. Then if everything works correctly, it'll be closed. Now, all these cards are features. Now, what you're looking at is a different color view of these features. Notice most of them are green. That typically implies it's good, we're ready to go. In this case, it's actually a state stating that it's a low priority feature item or card, Kanban card. If it is yellow, it's a medium item. That's a little bit higher priority. If it is red, it has a higher priority, it's high, basically. If it is orange, that item or feature has been placed on hold or it's blocked for whatever reasons. Now, each card has other items that have been defined for that. User stories, those little blue items, blue icon is user stories. The little bug there, red bug, is actually a bug that has been defined as bugs that came in for that feature. And of course, you require test cases for each bug, each user story, each feature. So that's what you see there. Each card has typically the same type of elements or entities defined, user stories, bugs, and test cases. Now, as corporations embrace cloud technology, they look for applications to facilitate their software development processes. To streamline the software lifecycle, then they need to analyze the work which has been completed, whether it was completed in iterations, sprints, or phases. In this case, I'm suggesting it's phases, but within each phase, you'll notice to the right-hand side, there's an option here that can be defined for sprints and would be defined for sprints also. Now, this project was defined as an agile project with a Git repository. It could have been defined as a Scrum project or a CMMI project, or even another option called modern requirements, which is typically used by business analysts whom are BABAC certified. Or a simpler option would be a basic features type option or model process that Microsoft DevOps offers. This is a short video on showcasing a Kanban view on features. I'm going to switch over to stories, show you the Kanban view of stories. It's basically the same thing. You have that story goes to an active state, then goes to resolved state after they've been working on it. It goes to a state of closed or completed. Now you'll see that none of the cards are green, yellow, red, or orange. That simply means that I haven't completed the work and I haven't done the rules. I haven't defined the cards or the Kanban view to highlight that state. Now, user stories do have tasks and do have test cases also defined for each user story on each card, each Kanban card for user stories. This is a short video on Kanban views, on stories and features. This concludes this video. My name is Gilbert Benitez. I do thank you.